Hello students, this is Rajni here and welcome to my classes. Now today we solve exercise number 1.3 and here question number 6 is a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Means here temperature decreases every hour by 5 degrees Celsius. So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Means here room temperature at the beginning is 40 degrees Celsius and temperature decreases every hour 5 degrees Celsius. So here we take minus 5 because temperature decreases here. And next temperature decreases in 10 hours is equal to minus 5 multiply 10. So we get minus 50 degree Celsius. So the temperature after 10 hours is equal to 40 minus 50. So we get 40 minus 50 minus 10 degree Celsius. And answer is temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degree Celsius. Now next question. Now 7 number question is in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for question not attempt. Here first is Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. So what is his score? So Mohan gets scored for correct answer he gives 4 correct answers. So here for 4 correct answer he achieved 4 multiply 5 because for correct answer examiner awarded 5 marks. So here he gets 20 marks. And for 6 incorrect answer, here 6 multiply minus 2 because in incorrect answer minus 2 marks awarded. So here 6 into 2 is 12 and the sign is minus. So here minus 12 marks. So total score is 20 minus 12 means he achieved 8 marks. So answer is Mohan gets score 8 marks. 8 marks. Now second question is Resma gets 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. And so what is her score? So Resma gets score. Here for 5 correct answer. So here 5 multiply 5, because for correct answer 5 marks are given. So 5 into 5 is 25, and for 5 incorrect answer, here 5 multiply minus 2. So 5 to ja 10 and the sign is minus here. Now total score is 25 minus 10 means 15 marks she achieved. So here the answer is Reshma gets score 50 marks. Now question number 3 is Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. Out of 7 questions she attempts, what is her score? Means she attempts only 7 questions and 5 is incorrect and here 2 is correct. So Hina gets score for 2 correct answer, means here 2 multiplied 5, so she get 10 marks, and for 5 incorrect answer, so here 5 multiplied minus 2, so the answer is minus 10 marks. Now the total score is 10 minus 10, it means 0 marks. So the answer is Hina gets score 0 marks.